So good morning, welcome to Eamcet zone. So welcome to today's chapter is sets revision chapter exam special series. So now today we will discuss 1 mark problems followed by 2 marks followed by the 4 marks problems. We shall have the discussion. So first question of the day today, sets chapter. This is part 1. Right. So 1 mark problems. First question. Write roster form. Write roster form of the following sets. Of the following sets. The roster form means that is the list form. So we need to write the elements of the set and separated by the commas and need to be put in between the brackets. That's called roster form. So don't worry, I will explain. So first question. A is equal to set denoted by the capital letters. How to read? A is equal to x such that x is a prime divisor of 30. This is the question. Okay, first here see a is equal to x such that x is a prime divisor of 30. So that means actually find the factors of 30. Out of the factors of 30, what are the prime numbers that we need to be listed out. So that's called the roster form of the given set. This is called set builder form. Set builder form we need to convert, we need to change into the roster form. So first you take 30. Let us find out the factorization, prime factorization. In first chapter we have done 2 15 ja, next 3 5 ja. Okay, 30 equals to, we can write 2 into 3 into 5. Yes, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So that means what are the prime divisors of 30? 2 comma 3 comma 5. List out. So now here solution write down. Since 2 comma 3 comma 5 are the prime divisors or factors also we can say of 30. So these are the elements of this set. 2 3 5, 3 elements are there. So just you list out like this. 2 comma 3 comma 5 write down and put in brackets, this bracket. These brackets are called curly brackets. Say A equals to. So this is called roster form of given set. Completed. A is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 5. Now second question. E is equal to, set E is equal to x such that, this we need to read as such that x is a letter of geometry. So now the solution. So in geometry, what are the letters write down here? First letters G, letters E, O, M, E, T, R, Y are the letters of geometry word. Geometry. But in this one, repeated. What is repeated? E is repeated. Don't consider this. Repeated. Repeated means just you round it up. So that means consider G, E, O, M, T, R, Y are the elements of the set. So first write down like this. G comma, E comma, O comma, M comma, T comma, R comma, Y. So braces write down. These are called braces. In between the braces we need to write the elements and write down E. So this is called roster form for given set. Roster form. Now third one. B is equal to x such that x square is equal to 4 and x belongs to z. X belongs to z. Okay. Here x square is equal to 4 and x belongs to z. So how to solve this problem means, first of all, solve this quadratic equation. We get the two roots. The two roots are the elements of this set, and also x must be integer. Integers means it may be positive integer or negative integer. 0 also may be included. So that means now x square minus 4, x square equals to 4. That is, we can write x square minus 4 equals to 0. This we can write x square minus 2 square equals to 0. So it is in the form of a square minus b square equals to 0. Sorry, a square minus b square. This we can write a plus b into a minus b. So now we can have this x plus 2 into x minus 2 equals to 0. So now we get x plus 2 equals to 0 and x minus 2 equals to 0. See, x equals to minus 2 and x is equal to 2. So you list out these two elements. Minus 2 is also an integer. 2 is also integer. It is a negative integer, positive integer. So we need x is an integer itself. Using these conditions, we need to write roster form. Roster form means list form. So minus 2 comma 2 write down, and in between the braces, this is called braces. So this is the roster form for the given set builder form. So next, fourth problem. Let us move to the fourth problem. Set C equals to x such that x equals to n square minus 1, and also n belongs to natural numbers. N is a natural number. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. And also one condition is given, n less than or equal to 5. You need to read like this, n less than or equal to 5. So here you remember the condition like this. N is a natural number first. That means n is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on dash dash. But condition is given, n less than or equal to 5. N less than or equal to 5 means n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. N is a natural number and condition is there. It must be less than or equal to 5, or natural numbers which are less than or equal to 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For each value, we need to find out x value. Then make a list. That list is called here roster form for the given set. So now the solution write down. So here x equals to n square minus 1. First put n is equal to 1. If you put n is equal to 1, what do you get? X equals to 1 square minus 1. Don't get confusion. 1 square 1. 1 minus 1 0. 1 value. Next 2. Take. Put n is equal to 2. If you put n is equal to 2, x becomes 2 square minus 1. So 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay. Next, n is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 square minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Next, n is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 square minus 1. 16 minus 1 is 15. Last, n is equal to 5. Because only 5 up to 5 we need to take. So x is equal to 5 square minus 1. What is 5 square? 25. 25 minus 1, 24. So these are the elements of the set. So you list out first of all. So that means 0, 3, 8, 15, 24. Put in between the braces is equal to write down C. So this is the roster form for the given set. Next, fifth question. The solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So first solve this quadratic equation. This is called quadratic equation. The solutions set itself with the here roster form. So that means first of all we need to solve this equation. Here x square plus x minus 2 equals to 0. First take minus 2 here. Minus 2 is a product of two numbers. Here 1 is the sum. First 2 1s are added, but we need plus 1, 2 and minus 1 added. Put minus 1. So that means this x can be written as x square plus 2x minus x. 2x minus x is x only. Minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, are you there all of you? Yes, observe. So from the first two terms, let us take x common. We have x plus 2. Next take minus 1 common. We have x plus 2 equals to 0. From these two, let us take x plus 2 common. We have x plus 2 into x minus 1 equals to 0. So we get two cases. X plus 2 equals to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 2, x is equal to 1. You list out these two elements. That is the set. So now therefore we get, say, A is equal to minus 2 comma 1. This is the roster form for the given problem. Now the second question. Write the set builder form of the following sets. So now the set builder form to roster form we have written. Now this is the time to write set builder form, roster form to the set builder form. The first question is given that A equals to 4, 6, 8, 9. So we need to write set builder form. How to write set builder form means, first of all, what is the common property the each and every element does have, that we need to find out. What is the common property does it follow? So that we need to find out. 4, 6, 8, 9. So this we can write like this. See, the 4 can be written as 2 into 2, whereas 6 can be written as 2 times 3, 2 times 3. 8 can be written as 2 times 4. So now 9 can be written as 2 times, that cannot be written, 9 is not there. 4, 6, 8, 9 is there, right? In another manner, anything we can try, that is, okay, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2. You take 10, this is not 9, this must be 10. Okay, 10. 2 5 ja, 2 5 ja. See, it is fixed, it is changing. So that means generally it will be in the form of 2n, 2 into something n. But what are the n values? 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means n values we can write, n is equal to, you can write 2, 3, 4, 5, or we can write n is a natural number which lies between 1 and 6, natural numbers in between 1 to 6. What are the natural numbers? 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means now we can write like this. Solution: A is equal to, first we need to start like this, x is such that x is equal to this 2n, write down 2n. N belongs to natural number because counting numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 natural numbers, and like this, write down 1 less than or equal to n, n less than or equal to 6. That means n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the set builder form. This is the set builder form. Right. Second question. B equals to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So these are the elements of the given set B. First, what shall we do? We need to observe the common property of the each and every element that are present in the given set. We need to observe. Common property means -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. They are integers. Positive integers, negative integers. But restriction is there. It is in between -4 to here 3 itself only. Because in between, for you take the number line, for example, this is a number line. A number line 0, here actually 1 we can write, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Here -1, -2, -3 and -4. So that means here, see, what is the condition? Given elements are lies between -4 to 3 itself only. So these are the elements that lie in the given set. So that means now first property is integer, okay, but condition is there. They lie between -4 and 3. So these two conditions we need to mention to write set builder form. Okay, let us write set builder form now. Right, solution. So B is equal to x such that x is an integer, and -4 less than x, x less than 3. X is an integer, lies between -4 and 3. -4 and 3 means -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Now third problem. Third problem. C is equal to C is equal to 110, 1100, 11,000 and so on dash dash. Okay, you think how could you write it? How could you write it, this one? You think how could you write it? Any idea? See, this can be written, 110 can be written 11 into 10. 1100 can be written 11 into 100. 11 into 100. That means 11 into 10 square we can write. So 11,000. 11,000 means 11 into 1000. 1000 is nothing but 11 into 10 cube. You say 10 power 1. So that means first of all we can write like this. This we have given solution. C equals to 11 into 10 power 1 comma 11 into 10 square, 11 into 10 cube and so on dash dash. So therefore we can write like this. C is equal to x such that x is equal to 11 into 10 to the power of n. This in the place of n, 1, 2, 3 like that. N belongs to natural number and that's enough. N belongs to natural number. That's all. N belongs to natural numbers means n is equal to 1, 2, 3 like that you can write. If you put, you will get first number is 110, second is 1100 and 11,000 and so on you will be getting. Okay, next. Fourth question. Fourth question. So what is the fourth question now here? D is equal to 1, this is 8, 9, not 9, this is, wait, 1, 8, 27, 64. So let us write in the set builder form. See, you check here, this 1 can be written as 1 cube, 8 can be written as 2 cube, 27 can be written 3 cube, 64 can be written as 4 cube. They are the cubic numbers. 1, 3, 1, 8, 27, 64 are the cubic numbers. In the place of this 1, 2, 3, 4, you can write n and n cube right down. But n is from where to where? In between 1 to 4, or you can write 1 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 4, you can write it n. This is the condition you can write. So solution, D equals to x such that x equals to n cube and n is a natural number. This is called n belongs to, you need to read n belongs to n, and also n less than 5 also you can write, because n is a natural number. Like this also you can mention n less than 5. Right. Now third question. Right. Third question. If b equals to, that means set b equals to x such that x is a prime factor of 48, then find n of b. Find n of b. This is the question. So first see, read the question. Set B is equal to x such that x is a prime factor of 48. So this is given in set builder form. First we need to write the roster form. After writing the roster form, what is n of b? N of b is known as cardinal number or cardinality of a number. What do you mean by cardinal number or cardinality number? Means the number of elements present in the set. You just count the number of elements that are present in the given set. That is called cardinality. That we need to find out n of b. So first step we need to find out factors of 48. Factors of 48 means 1 into 48, first factor. Next factor is 2 into 24. So next factor is 3 into 16, 48 only. Next 4 into 12. That's all. So that means what are the factors you can write it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 16, 24 and 48 are the factors of 48. But out of factor here important is prime factor. What are the prime factors? See, the prime factors are 2, 3. So 2, 3 only the prime factors of this one, because 4 is not a prime, 2 is not a prime, 12, 16, 24, 48, they are the composite factors. 4 composite number, 12 composite number, 16 composite number, 24 composite number, 48. One is neither composite nor prime. Neither prime nor composite. Only 2, 3. Just list out 2, 3 here. So now the solution write down. Since 2, 3 are the prime factors of 48. So just we list out these two only. 2, 3. Put in between the braces. Say B. Now count how many number of elements are there. How many number of elements are there? 1, 2. So therefore answer is, that is called n of b. N of b means number of elements in set B. 2 elements. So answer is 2. This is called cardinal number or cardinality of a number. I hope you have understood. Yes or no? Just you need to chart. Yes or no? Now the fourth question. Write all the subsets of the following. Write all the subsets of the following. So first question, A is equal to 1. So subsets we need to write. How to write the subsets? Let me explain. Don't worry. Very simple. Subsets. First, pi is the subset of every set. Next, 1 write down. This is 1. Okay. That's all. The two subsets will get it. Pi and 1. So next, second question in this one. A is equal to A comma B. Subsets of A comma B write down. Here see the solution. What are the subsets here? First is pi. Pi means null set or empty set or void set is the subset of every set. First one element set A, B and 2 element set, that is A comma B. Total subsets we get 1, 2, 3, 4 subsets you will get it now. Okay. Right. So next let us go for third question. Write the subset of A is equal to A comma B comma C. See the solution. Subsets let us write. What are the subsets? First is pi. Next one element you take A, B, C. Now two elements. Two elements means A comma B, B comma C, C comma A, and 3 elements at a time. Only 3 elements means A comma B comma C. Total how many subsets will get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For example, if 3 elements are there in the set, we get 2 cube, 8 elements in the 8 subsets we will get it, possible subsets. Understood now? So next, fourth question. Set A equals to 10, 100, 1000. Write the possible subsets. Write possible subsets. What are the possible subsets here? You see, first subset is pi, null set you need to write. Next, one element subsets 10, 100, next 1000. Next we need to write two element subset 10, 100. Okay, next 100, 1000. Next 10,000. Next 3 elements 10, 100, next 1000. So these are the subsets. How many should we have? We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 subsets. We shall get it. Right. So now the fifth question. Are you there? Okay. If A equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, right? And right, B equals to 2, 3. Then find A minus B. So let us find out A minus B. A minus B is called difference of the two sets. Let me explain how to find out. So first solution write down. Here given A equals to, what is the set given? 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. Set B. What is the set B given here? Set B is having elements 2, 3. We are asked to find out A minus B. A minus B means here A 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 and minus 2, 3. So now actually what is A minus B means? The elements of the set which belongs to A and which do not belongs to B. So that means actually there should not be 2, 2, cut it, 3, 3. So whatever elements are remaining, that we need to write 0, 1, 5 remains. So this equals to, now we write 0, 1, 5. So this is A minus B. I hope you understand. Right. Next, sixth question. If A equals to x such that x is a prime number less than 10. So x is a prime number and less than 10. So A is, and B is equal to and B is equal to, set B is equal to X such that X is a factor of 9, factors of 9, factor of 9. Then find A minus B. Find A minus B. We need to find out A minus B. So how could you find out A minus B? It's very simple. First, given data write down. Set A is in set builder form. Set B is also given in set builder form. First, we need to write the roster form, convert into the roster form. After finding the respective roster forms, find A minus B, as we have discussed in the question number 5. So first, see here given A equals to X such that X is a prime number, X is a prime number less than 10, less than 10. So what are the prime numbers actually? See, less than 10, 2, 3, 5, 7, next 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers which are less than 10. So that means we can write here, that implies, so that implies here we can have A equals to, we can write 2, 3, 5, 7. 2 is a prime number, even prime number. Only one and only even prime number is 2. 3 is the odd, 5, odd, all primes are odd except 2. 2, 3, 5, 7. That means prime numbers less than 10. Next, go to second question. So now here B is equal to set builder form. What is given actually? X is such that X is a factor of 9. That means factors of 9 we need to find out. What are the factors of 9? 1 into 9, 3 into 3. That's all. 139, 139. So this B is equal to, we can write 139. So in the set, elements should not be repeated, but actually 1, 3, 3, 9. 3 is repeated for 2 times. We need to consider only one time, 1, 3, 9. We know roster forms of A, B. Now find A minus B here. So therefore A minus B. So A minus B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 minus 1, 3, 9. So what shall we do now here? So 3, 3 cut, 1, 1, 9 also. Remaining elements write down. What are the remaining elements? 2, 5, 7. This is A minus B. Next, seventh question. Seventh question. If A and B are disjoint sets and n of A union B, number of elements in A union B equals to 12, comma, n of A equals to 7, n of B equals to x plus 2, then find x, then find the value of x. It's very important, don't worry. A comma B are disjoint sets. What do you mean by disjoint sets? Means here A intersection B is equal to pi. So if you find the intersection between these two sets, no common element we can find. So that's called disjoint sets. A intersection B is equal to pi. So if A intersection B is equal to pi, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. So 12 is equal to 7 plus x plus 2. Solving this equation, we shall get the x value. So here write down, first given data write down. What is given data? Given first A and B are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. This is first given data. And given here n of A union B equals to 12, n of A equals to 7, n of B equals to x plus 2. So we have n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. It is applicable for only when A comma B are disjoint. My dear students, please remember, A comma B are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. So now substitute the values. N of A union B is equal to how much given? 12. This is equal to n of A. N of A is equal to 7. N of B is x plus 2. So that implies we can write this is x plus 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9 equal to 12. We need x value. How do you find x value? Take 9 this side. So x is equal to 12 minus 9, that is equal to 3. So therefore x is equal to 3. This is the answer. Right. Next, eighth question. Are you there now? If n of A union B, if n of A union B is equal to 25, n of A equals to 23, and n of B equals to 10, then find n of A intersection B. So this question is also very important question, my dear students, please remember. Okay, if n of A union B is equal to 25, n of A is equal to 23, and n of B is equal to 10, then find n of A intersection B. First given data write down. What is the given data? N of A union B is equal to 25, n of A is equal to 23, n of B is equal to 10. This is the given data. N of A intersection B is equal to question mark. So first solution we need to write like this. Given data is very important. N of A union B is equal to 25. N of A equals to 23. N of B equals to 10. And n of A intersection B is equal to question mark. So we have the formula. So we have formula. This formula remember all of you. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is the relationship between these among these values. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So let us substitute. N of A union B 25, 23 plus 10 minus n of A intersection B. Next step, 25 equals to, this is 33 minus n of A intersection B. We need n of A intersection B. Bring minus n of A intersection B to the left hand side, 25 right side. So we get n of A intersection B equals to, this minus becomes plus, 33 minus 25. 33 minus 25 is 8. So therefore n of A intersection B is equal to 8. This is the answer. Right. Ninth question. From the given figure, find first A, second B, third A intersection B, fourth A union B, fifth A minus B, sixth B minus A, seventh A minus B union B minus A. Okay. So I'll give the figure first, don't worry, note down the figure. This is the figure given. This is called universal set. Universal set is denoted by this Venn diagram for the universal set. That's mu. This symbol is mu. Here we have the two sets given. Two sets. A set this is. Next one more set given. This is B set. See, this is A. This is B given. Okay. Now elements are given like this. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some 15 is there here. 11, 13, 15. Okay. First we need to write A. From this figure, observe the figure and we need to write the set A, set B in roster form itself only. So now very clear, the solution is, see how to write the first question. We need to write A. A equals to only just green circle. Green circle means 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. So now we need to write like this: 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. So my dear students, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. So these we need to consider. That is called A. That is called A. One minute. Right. So now, right, second question. Now how to write B? How to write B? B means this color, this pink color. 7, 8, 9, 10. That is called B. So we need to write 7, 8, 9, 10. This is B. Now set A, set B from this called Venn diagrams. From Venn diagrams we can draw like this. Third question. Third question is A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to, next C, okay, first B we need to write. What is B? 7, 8, 9, 10. So next third one is A intersection B. How to write A intersection B? Common part of these two. This pink color, green color. So that's called intersection, common part. Common part means 7 and 8 we need to take. So that means 7, 8 is the intersection part, A intersection B. So now leave these two values. Right. Next, see fourth one. What is the fourth one? Fourth one, you are asked to A union B. A union means club. So all the elements of this green and also pink. So including A union means 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't include 11, 13, 15. This is A union B. This is A union B. Next is fifth one, A minus B. A minus B is equal to, my dear students, so now A union B means only you need to consider here to here. Only these elements we need to consider. These elements we need to consider. This is called A minus B. A minus B means 7, 8, 9, 10 we need to cut. 7, 8, 9, 10 we need to cut. So 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5 only you will be getting. 1, 3, 5. So that means 1, 3, 5 is A minus B. Now next sixth one. Sixth one is what? That is B minus A. B minus A means only we need to consider 9, 10. 9, 10 only. So that is equal to 9 comma 10. Next seventh one. What is the seventh one? Seventh one equals to A minus B union B minus A. A minus B union B minus A means 1, 3, 5 union 9 comma 10. 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 9 comma except 7, 9. All the elements we need to write except 7, 9. So that means we can write 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 9 comma 10. I hope you have understood everything. A, B, A intersection B, A union B, A minus B, B minus A minus B union B minus A. I hope everything you will understand. Okay, I will discuss later. Thank you. Bye bye.